Hey y'all, it's your girl Ashanti, Michelle, and I've been gone for a minute. Like I've been gone for like over a month, y'all. But I'm back, and basically today I'm gonna be taking this out my hair. Like you see this? Like this is coming out my head because I don't want this in my hair no more. Yeah. So honestly, it's no need to talk because I mean I can tell you what I'm using. I got scissors and I got these scissors and I got a comb. That's it. I got a mirror over there and I'm gonna just take this on my head because I do not want this in my hair no more, like at all. So we gotta just hop right into this video and I'm gonna just start taking this out. And I got a hair tie so I can put my hair up when I'm taking it out because I start from the back. A lot of people don't. I mean, I don't really know what people do, but I know what I do. I start from the back and I'm about to take it out. So we about to just go. Like we about to just hop in right there. Like let's just go. Y'all, and I was gonna watch Netflix, but I'm not about to watch Netflix. I'm about to listen to some music because
this case is going to be very emotional. So at any point you find yourself getting a little...
My music. I wish I could show y'all this, but this looks so weird. I don't know what's going on. Like, the girl want to listen to music and they want me to be great. That's what I'm hearing. Like, that's it. That's all. Okay, let's quit this. Oh, yeah, I'm on my laptop already, but this thing being stupid. I don't even know. Got me tripping with that run around. This is from my art. I'm gonna put my bag playlist. If y'all want a playlist video, I'm about to do it. I don't care if y'all want it or not. I'm about to give it to y'all. Like, and y'all gonna take it, and that's on period. I'm literally a joke. Okay, let me just. Oh, I don't want to be in my bag. Ugh, no. Let's just put on shuffle. Y'all, wait. Can we just talk about how like I'm going through like this like all my songs and they just want to play black music, and I'm literally in. Oh wait, I don't think I. Okay, wait. Let me play something first, then skip it. Okay. Yeah. So all this is about to be fast forward because I'm not about to get copyrighted for this. I might put my hair up, and I'm really about to like honestly just take this out and listen to music. I'm probably gonna watch Netflix after a few because it's gonna get boring. Okay. I guess I'm gonna start, right? I gotta find a track. Should I show you? I'm not showing you. This is so embarrassing. I can't find it. See, that's what you gotta come for. I'm gonna play my music. I'll talk to y'all when this is like halfway out or something. My head, I cannot wash my hair. I cannot wait to wash my hair. Like, so yeah. So this is my hair. It's in braids. And now I'm gonna take out the braids. If I can even see where to start. We have a problemo. Oh wait, I think she tucked in the braids and other braids. I don't know how this works. Yeah, but it was time to take this out. Like, I cannot do this. Yeah, so I can feel my scalp. Y'all understand how good this feels. But I can't even find the braids to take it out. I found one braid, but that's only one. Oh wait. Ooh. I hate when they like. Oh, I hate this. Okay, well, I'm gonna just take out just the one piece I have found.
And then you got the nerve to ask me how I feel. Ooh. Y'all, this is so much work for no reason. Okay, this spray, I think I got it. I got it. I think I see it. Oh, well, not that I see it, but I think I know how she did it. Okay, here we go. See, I'm getting more out. But, ooh, it feels so good.
There we go. Who bald? Not me. Period, poo. Get at me.
Literally a joke. Yes, I'm gonna just unbraid this. And then, I don't know. Like, it's a Saturday night. Wouldn't you think I'm out? But I'm not. I'm taking out my hair. That's crazy, right? I know. People assume that I always go out, but I almost forget. Yikes. Yeah, people assume that I always go out, but I really don't. Like, I'm literally, like, it's literally a Saturday night. It's like 10 something. It's 10:50. It's Saturday PM. It's Saturday PM. 10:50 PM on Saturday. And guess what I'm doing? Taking out my hair, boo. Because who know? I really don't. I don't know. I be like, I have to be in the mood to go out. Like, it'd be weird. Like, I be having moments where I just be wanting to be inside. Call me boring. Call me what you want. Guess what? I don't care.
Oh, this feels so good. I do not understand. Look how fast I'm taking this out though. Like, I just don't understand how like good this feels. So I'm probably just gonna come back to y'all when I finish detangling this, because y'all want to see me take out braids. Like, I'm not even showing y'all how to do it, just taking it out. Alright, so yeah, y'all gonna see whenever I finish detangling this. Hey y'all. I'm back. This is how much hair I lost. I lost this much hair, and I had it in for a month and like a week or two. Yeah, like a month or 2 weeks. And I'm about to wash this hair and style it. So I'm gonna just show y'all the final result. Like I get to that, yeah, go hard. When you see me pull up, I rip it real hard. All right, so your girl looking like a brand new person. Okay, like, and just hold on. Look, who bald? I wait, and that's on what? And that's on period. All right, y'all. So I literally like this. Oh my god, when I tell y'all it's 11:54, I feel like I've been doing my hair for like forever. It's been like 3 hours in total, but it's because I take my time, and like I also had interruptions. If you know, you know, but if you don't, then I guess you will never know. But yeah, so that's it for this video, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video, because guess what, I'm back and I'm better and I don't care. Hold on, who want to stop to this? Oh no. No, wait, hold on, wait, I'm talented and get it. I think the table should, I feel like a man. Dang, how it go? Y'all, that's what I was looking for. But all right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Leave any video suggestions you have down below, and just subscribe to my channel, because if you're not subscribed, baby, what are you doing? Like, at this point, it's grind time. Like, it's March, about to be March 1st, and guess what, 3 minutes, so guess what's a whole new month. And guess what, these videos, oh my god, I'm telling y'all, like, these videos, I have to go ham, because when I tell y'all February, it was rap. Like, I'm not gonna act like I didn't film any videos, because I definitely did. I filmed 2 videos, and then a third one I started but never finished. But the 2 ones I did, I literally edited it, and I also, like, it was done. I just didn't like the final result of it. And I feel like if I'm gonna post something, I'm gonna post it and then like it. I'm not gonna post it and like at the time realize it's bad and still post it just to say I post something. No, if I'm gonna post something, it's gonna be good, okay? So like I said, subscribe to my channel, baby. If you're not subscribed, baby, what is you doing? But it's time for me to go. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.